bam, things grind to a halt, your progress stalls, and you're stuck in a rut. This, my friend, is a workout plateau. A plateau happens when your body adapts to your workout routine. You're no longer challenging your muscles, so they stop growing and changing. It's like your body is saying, I've got this. But don't worry, it's completely normal and happens to everyone. The good news is that plateaus are temporary. With a few tweaks to your routine and mindset, you can break through and continue your fitness journey stronger than ever. Remember, consistency is key, and a little shakeup can make all the difference. So, are you ready to ditch the plateau and unleash your full potential? Let's do this. Hitting a plateau can be frustrating, but understanding the reasons behind it can help you overcome it. Here are some common culprits. First up, adaptation. Your body is a master adapter. When you do the same workout repeatedly, your body becomes super efficient. It uses less energy and effort, leading to slower progress. Time to switch things up. Second, lack of progressive overload. To keep those muscles guessing, you need to gradually increase the challenge. This could mean lifting heavier weights, doing more reps, or trying more challenging variations of exercises. Third, insufficient recovery. Rest days are just as important as workout days. Your body needs time to repair, rebuild, and come back stronger. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, stretching, and fueling your body with nutritious food. Finally, mental burnout. Constantly pushing yourself without a break can lead to mental and physical exhaustion. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Remember, fitness should be enjoyable. Knowing the signs of a workout plateau can help you address it before it becomes a major setback. Here are some telltale signs. The most obvious sign is a lack of progress. Are you no longer seeing changes in your weight, body composition, or strength? This could be a red flag. Another sign is decreased enthusiasm. Are you feeling less motivated to work out? Do you find yourself making excuses to skip your sessions? This could be a sign of mental fatigue. Persistent fatigue is another indicator. Do you feel constantly tired, even after a good night's sleep? This could mean your body isn't recovering properly from your workouts. If you're experiencing any of these signs, don't panic. It's time to reassess your routine, make some adjustments, and reignite your fitness journey. Section 4. Busting through. Tips to reignite your progress. Feeling stuck? Don't worry. Here are some powerful tips to help you break through that plateau and get back on track. First, crank up the intensity. Challenge yourself by increasing the weight you lift, adding more reps, or trying advanced exercise variations. Remember, your body adapts, so keep it guessing. Second, shake things up. Variety is the spice of life in your workouts. Try new exercises, different training styles, or explore new activities. Keep your body and mind engaged. Third, focus on form. Proper form is crucial for maximizing results and preventing injuries. Pay close attention to your technique and ensure you're performing each exercise correctly. Remember, consistency is key, but so is challenging yourself. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Section 5. Fueling your fire. Nutrition and recovery. You can't outrun a bad diet. What you eat plays a crucial role in your fitness journey, especially when breaking through a plateau. First, prioritize protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. Make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet from sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. Second, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is essential for every bodily function, including muscle recovery and performance. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Finally, prioritize sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs and rebuilds muscles. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize your recovery and performance. Remember, you can't outtrain a bad diet or lack of sleep. Fuel your body with the nutrients it needs and prioritize recovery to break through plateaus and achieve your fitness goals. Section 6. Mind over matter. Staying positive and stress-free. Believe it or not, Your mindset plays a huge role in your fitness journey. Staying positive and managing stress can make all the difference when it comes to breaking through plateaus. First, cultivate a positive mindset. Focus on your progress, celebrate your achievements, and don't be afraid to ask for support when you need it. Remember, every step forward is a step in the right direction. Second, manage stress. Stress can wreak havoc on your body, hindering your progress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, or connecting with loved ones. Finally, be kind to yourself. Don't be afraid to take rest days when needed and listen to your body. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process and celebrate your wins along the way. Section 7. The journey matters. Setting goals and celebrating wins. Setting realistic goals and celebrating your achievements are crucial for staying motivated and pushing through plateaus. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. First, set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up to bigger ones. This will help you stay motivated and track your progress. Second, celebrate your wins. Every step forward is an achievement, no matter how small it may seem. Acknowledge your hard work, reward yourself, and use your successes as fuel to keep going. Finally, enjoy the journey. Fitness is not just about the destination, but the journey itself. Embrace the challenges, learn from your setbacks, and celebrate your victories along the way. Remember, consistency is key, and every step you take towards a healthier, fitter you is a step in the right direction. Keep pushing, keep believing, and you'll